This domain name sold for $80,000. This is huge, but why? What's the point of buying a domain name for such huge prices? Why did it even sell for so big amount? I'm gonna break this down for every one of you. So first of all, this domain name is very short. The word short makes the domain name very premium, okay? It will be easy to remember, easy to market and brand and a lot of things. In this digital world, having a short name gives you a very competitive advantage. Now let's talk about the value of this domain extension first. .ai. There is no one unfamiliar to this. The AI domain extension is incredibly hot right now. It is associated with artificial intelligence, obviously. So there are a lot of AI related businesses, startups, and even social media companies. They know the value that the .ai has been skyrocketed ever since then. Now consider OpenAI, ChatGPT, everything. There are so many things going on in this world with AI. Now, the .ai extension, it just instantly tells that this business is into the AI space. So if you combine it with any short name that is like WAN, this just makes a killer combination. So what does WAN.ai offers from a branding perspective? This is very simple. It is catchy, it is easy to remember. WAN could represent a variety of things. It could be the name of a founder or a concept, anything, or maybe a unique AI space. There is a glitch over here. This website is actually running and I'm going to show you. So if you see this website, if you type in WAN AI, it just lands you to this page, Zenforo, if I'm reading it right. This is actually, I don't know, you can see there are a lot of domain names that are associated with AI. So maybe this can be a platform that it just says list of domain names .ai for robotic and intelligence. So maybe this is a platform that has been created in a way that people can come and check the domain names that are available. Now, this actually makes sense. They paid $80,000 for a domain name. They are redirecting it to this page, pr.ai. So this is actually a great way to advertise. Now, there will be people who would check, why would anyone pay $80,000 for WAN AI? They're going to enter WAN AI and going to end up here. Maybe this is actually a great advertisement strategy, a marketing strategy to actually gather all the AI startup founders and all the entrepreneurs to come to this page and then see the domain names like Action AI, ADAS AI, Aerobics AI. This is a very smart move, I would say. If you have the money to market it, this would actually be a great idea. So this is where these types of things come. Now, other reason, I know this is a great reason that someone would pay this much money for a domain name, but there can also be other factors that we should consider. The first one is the scarcity factor. There are only very little short domain names left to register that are really memorable and relevant ones. WAN AI checks all the boxes, okay? We have a growing demand of AI focused companies. Now, in the present terms, every industry is looking for any angle where they can twist and get into AI business, and they are willing to pay premium prices to secure a domain name like this. These types of domain names are screaming. If you're really looking to buy something that provides you with the best, you gotta pay a premium price for it.